Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm going to be unboxing my, I think it's the Self-Love box by Anita Apothecary. I haven't peeked yet. I've just taken my address and loosened this off. So let's check it out. For those of you who don't know, Anita Apothecary's a very talented witch. She has her own website, anitaapothecary.com, but she also has an Etsy store. She's on Facebook and Instagram, and every few months she releases a box. It's not a subscription box because she doesn't send it out every month, but it is a box with different themes. This one is the Self-Love box, and her next one's going to be the Magical Garden, which I'm really excited about, in March of next year. The box of self-love. I never read these first, you guys know that. Heather, if you're looking at this, I would not watch this until you get yours. It accidentally came to my house, so I have to ship this to you. So stop now. Okay. I love that. That's really beautiful. Back. Bhuvaneshwari. I don't know if I said that correctly. Aphrodite's tea ritual, a tea of beauty. Organic raspberry leaf, hibiscus, calendula, corn, flower, rosebuds, and cinnamon. Cool. Ooh. Wildrose facial steam. A blend of roses, jasmines, calendula, and hibiscus. Pour boiling water over herbs. Use a towel to cover your head while steaming your face for a beautiful glow. Looks really pretty. Oh, nice. 13 spell candles. Always use more little candles. Let's see here. We got a pink little bag. I'm gonna have a haul from Marie here pretty soon. Wow. Ooh, it smells good. Smells so good. Let's see. I got a beautiful rose quartz. Love it. It's like a palm stone. Ooh la la. I've got a bracelet in here. I'm unsure what this stone is, but we'll find out. I wonder, is it kyanite or rhodonite? I don't know. It doesn't look like rhodonite. Ooh. Matches. Incense match. Frankincense. Wow, that's really cool. I've never gotten one of these before. And that's saying something, y'all, because I get a lot of boxes. Oh. I think this is a little chime candle holder, but let's open her up and see. Oh, it is. And I don't have this color either, so woo woo. Getting all sorts of delicious goodies that I don't have. Although, to be honest, some things I never get tired of getting over and over again, like incense sticks and sage smudges and Palo Santo. Self-Love, Inspirational Beauty Oil. Could definitely see some rosebuds in there. Let me smell this. Definitely rosy, but not terrible. It smells like fresh, like actual fresh roses from like my garden, as opposed to like that fake rose smell and some cosmetics I really don't care for. Ooh, yay! Speak of the devil. I love it. Okay, this is why this is not a children's channel, because I'm sitting here cutting towards myself, making terrible choices. Do not do this at home, guys. Ooh, big old vial of milk bath. Orange, rose, geranium, rose absolute love oil. And it says self-love. Very cool container. Let me give her a sniff. It definitely smells rosy, but it's got like a really nice citrus tang. Ooh, very cool. Glamour Magic lip scrub. Yum yum. Cool. I can kind of smell roses, but it's very, very, very subtle scent. And it might not even be that. It might be something else, to be honest. Alright. I think there's one more item in this ridiculously packed box. So full. Ooh, it's pink. Oh my goodness. Look at this pink cauldron. It's so cute. Like a vanilla smell. Here's a little, I was gonna say hat, but it's a lid. Let me just check that I didn't miss anything. No, I did not. Alright. Let's put this down in here and all of this kind of together for right now. Then I'll move this up a little bit so you can see. There we go. That should be everything. Oops. There we go. Everything in frame. Okay. Delicious box. Wow. Anita Apothecary, the box of self-love. The box of self-love was created to combine a little bit of beauty with a little bit of magic. The contents are aimed at an evening of self-care, love, and indulgence. The box is being released in December intentionally to help you unwind during one of the busiest months of the year. The month where we probably neglect time for ourselves. My hope is that you will set aside an evening to do a beauty ritual with the contents and a little quiet meditation. Self-care can help us stay grounded, raise our vibration, and give us a healthy, positive outlook. It helps connect us with the divine feminine energy. Made with love, beauty, and magic from my home to yours, I truly hope that you enjoy what I've curated for you in this box. Love from Marie and little Anita. The box of self-love, contents and uses. Self-love Cauldron soy candle, hand poured and designed using 100% soy wax and an eco cotton wick, and scented with honeysuckle for a sweet floral aroma. It wasn't vanilla, it was honeysuckle. Yum yum. It smells good. Interesting thing about soy candles, if you don't let them, the first time you burn them, if you don't let them burn all the way to the sides, they will tunnel. And that's something that I also learned from Marie. Aphrodite's tea ritual. This beautiful tea is made with raspberry leaves, hibiscus flowers, calendula, cornflowers, rose, and cinnamon. Raspberry leaves were once reserved only for queens and royalty because of their sweet flavor. So that's this Glamour Magic lip scrub. Oh, I'm not telling you the retail price. I guess I should. I'll hold it up. Created with geranium essential oil and infused with my homegrown calendula flowers. Ooh, very good. Calendula is good for that. This is the perfect product to remove dead skin and makeup buildup while moisturizing your lips. Place a small amount on lips and gently rub the scrub in small circular motions. Rinse with warm water when finished. Lavender and sage smudge. Perform a good smudging in your home or sacred space with added protection with this lavender and sage smudge. Self-love milk bath. This glass vial holds 100 milliliters of self-love milk bath, a blend of oats, milks, essential oils, and roses. Place a handful in your bath water. Milk baths have been used for centuries, dating back to Cleopatra, who was a huge lover of this bath ritual. Milk and oats help moisturize and nourish the skin. So that's this page. Wildrose Facial Steam. If you have never used a facial steam before, I totally have. You will love it. Place herbs in a large bowl with hot water. I prefer boiling water, just be careful. And wrap a towel over your face and the bowl to keep the steam in. Let the steam cleanse and open your pores. 13 chime candles plus a ceramic holder. I've been wanting to add these chime candles in a box for quite some time as they are useful for quick spell work. Use pink and red for self-love. Self-love beauty oil. Right here. The Self-Love Beauty Oil is meant to inspire, created with pure essential oils of geranium, rose, orange, lemon, and grapefruit, and is a roll-on bottle so it can easily be carried with you. Rose Quartz Palm Stone, love it. A self-love box wouldn't be complete without a piece of rose quartz. No, it would not. These high polished stones are the perfect size to carry with you daily. Oh, I was right. Rhodonite. I should never second guess myself. Cherished for its powerful healing properties for relationships, nurturing love, and is also an emotional balancer. The incense match. These handy incense matches have been around for decades and are a great way to carry incense with you that doesn't take up too much room. A yogic path oracle card. After enjoying your oracle card, use it as a bookmark or place on your altar for reflection. So basically the total value was $142.10 and I paid $60. And I think some shipping handling, I'm not sure. We hope you enjoyed your box and we thank you from the bottom of our hearts for supporting a small handmade business. We couldn't make these boxes without all your love and support. XO, Marie, and Anita. And then up next is the Magical Garden. Woo woo. Future box themes are divination, Mercury retrograde, and sea magic. Please tag us if you do an unboxing video or post a blog, of course. Cool. So this is it. Anita Apothecary's beautiful self-love box. I've gotten all of her boxes for the last year and a half. Whenever she puts them out, she usually sells out pretty quickly. Very talented witch. She has amazing stuff on her website as well. And she's from the, or I don't know if she's from, but she's here now in the Pacific Northwest, which is very cool for me because I like the feeling of shopping very local. There's also a haul coming up because she had a Black Friday sale and I bought some stuff at that point as well. Anyways, Anita Apothecary self-love box, very cool. I'm feeling definitely the romance, the love feelings from it. It's very full of love. Although it is definitely a platonic love, like a loving yourself, an empowering yourself feeling, which obviously is what she was going for. But the rose can be both, but I definitely like this vibration of it a little bit better, this intention of it a little better. And it definitely helps that it's a very fresh rose. And probably the only box this month that I'll get with roses in it. In February I was getting overwhelmed with like every box having roses in it. So stay tuned for tons of unboxings. As always, please like, comment, and subscribe. I so appreciate you guys subscribing and supporting my channel. It means so much to me. Love you guys so much. Have a good night.